Welcome back. Hi guys, today I bought a mold press and I've never used one. I've always wanted one and they're only $20 in a shop near me, so I brought one. I just had to for my cake decorating. So I am placing the sides on and now the top. This is what will heat up the plastic sheets that we'll put on later. The black piece is where your vacuum hose will go. This bottom part is the suction, which will be sucked with your vacuum, sucking that plastic in place. Now turn on the machine and let it heat up for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, place the plastic in between the square frame and lock in place. Peel both sides of the plastic off of the plastic sheet. First round, we are using a glass shell plate. We are waiting for the plastic to melt into a 2 centimeter bubble, just like that. Now hold both handles and press down. Lift the tray and the plastic will still be hot, so be careful. It turned out great because the shape was nice and smooth. As you'll see with this next one, I used an oyster shell. Place another plastic into the square tray and allow the plastic bubble to form. Now let's have a look. It looks great, but I can't get it out of the mold. This is because underneath the shell has been sealed, as there's gaps underneath the shell. So I realized I need some plasticine clay, which does come with the machine. I put that around all the edges of the shell so that there'd be no gaps between the level surface and the shell. So let's try that again with a new plastic sheet. This time it came out. It looks great. Now wash those molds before you use them for any chocolate or food decorating. Using this will save me so much money, as silicone molds are very expensive, and sometimes I've got molds that I've only ever used once for a cake project. So having this plastic sheet machine is so much cheaper. I hope you guys think about buying one for yourself, as they are a great thing to have in your cake decorating